talk about a dumb high school prank.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
A teenager who rode his dirt bike through the crowded grounds of a school in California has landed in hot water. Students had to dive out of the way as the biker roared by. Stunned bystanders recorded the crazy prank on cell phones. The 16-year-old riding the bike was arrested after he allegedly ran over a student's foot. Believe it or not, he isn't the first knucklehead to ride a dirt bike through a school. Now another teenager joins the Hall of Fame for dumbest high school senior prank ever.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Watch out, watch out, watch out!